ऐसे कौन से रीजंस होते हैं जिनकी वजह से कपल्स के आईवीएफ भी फेल हो जाते हैं?
So there are four main reasons. One is embryo related. Second is uterine endometrium related. There are certain environmental factors, lifestyle जो हम बोलते हैं. And fourth and most important pillar जो overlook किया जाता है is the immune issues.
Meet Dr. Mugdha Raut. She is the answer to repeated miscarriages, recurrent IVF failures, and unexplained infertility. Along with her husband, Dr. Mohan Raut, she has patented a special, unique process of Immulit. Together, they are two of the world's 43 doctors working in this field and the only two in India. In this conversation, we'll talk about infertility beyond IVF.
जैसे प्रेगनेंसी यूट्रस में आ जाती है, द इम्यून सिस्टम आइडियली रोल्स अ रेड कार्पेट एंड प्रेगनेंसी को इम्प्लांट करने देती है. बट व्हेन इट डजंट रोल द रेड कार्पेट एंड इट स्टार्ट्स ट्रीटिंग इट एज डिफरेंट फॉर सम अननोन रीजन, इम्यून सिस्टम विल स्टार्ट फाइटिंग द प्रेगनेंसी एंड आईवीएफ फेलियर हो सकते हैं या मिसकैरेजेस हो सकते हैं.
पता कैसे चलता है कि हमको ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हमको तो एलो इम्यून रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स हैं?
हर एक कपल का एक ही क्वेश्चन होता है, मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया इसके बारे में. एंड दैट्स रियली पिंचेस अवर हार्ट. वी हैड पेशेंट्स हु हैज डन 18 IVF ट्रांसफर्स.
What? But why is that? Why is there such little awareness about it? Hi, I hope it was not too much of a trouble. Please come in. हाँ, बस आरती यही होती है. Can I offer you something? Now this is a test of your mobility. Have to not touch anything. हो गया ना सब कवर आपको. Cut cameras and lights off. This is an official warm welcome on Candid Confessions with Chavi. And I just want to tell my viewers कि आप वो करती हैं उन कपल्स को हेल्प करती हैं जिनके लिए आईवीएफ भी फेल हो जाता है.
करेक्ट.
तो सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि ऐसे कौन से रीजंस होते हैं जिनकी वजह से कपल्स के आईवीएफ भी फेल हो जाते हैं? बिकॉज आई थिंक अभी तक हमने जो भी समझा है वो ये है कि भाई प्रेगनेंसी अगर नहीं हो रही है तो आईवीएफ एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. बट इफ आईवीएफ फेल्स, व्हाई डज इट फेल?
सो सी, व्हेन वी लुक एट IVF फेलियर या इवन मिसकैरेजेस क्यों होते हैं, वी लुक एट इट एज 4 पिलर्स ऑफ अ टेबल. और कोई भी एक पिलर गिर जाए तो टेबल तो गिरने वाला है. ओके. सो देर आर 4 मेन रीजन्स, 4 पिलर्स हम बोलते हैं कि वन इज़ एम्ब्रियो रिलेटेड.
ओके.
सेकेंड इज़ एंडोमेट्रियम रिलेटेड, यानी यूट्राइन एंडोमेट्रियम रिलेटेड,
यूट्रस की जो
लाइनिंग होती है. देर आर सर्टन एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स, लाइफस्टाइल जो हम बोलते हैं. एंड फोर्थ एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पिलर जो ओवरलुक किया जाता है इज़ द इम्यून इश्यूज़.
ओके.
ओके. सो नाउ अगर हम एम्ब्रियो की बात करें, एम्ब्रियो कैन बी जेनेटिकली एबनॉर्मल, यानी जीन्स में ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए.
एग्जाम्पल्स दीजिए.
जैसे कि डाउन सिंड्रोम, ट्राइजोमी 21, ट्राइजोमी 16. एक्चुअली हमारे बॉडी में 20,000 जीन्स होते हैं. तो जब एग और स्पर्म यूनाइट होता है, तो जब हम जेनेटिक लोचा हो गया, दैट इज़ व्हेन द एम्ब्रियो इज गोइंग टू बी एबनॉर्मल.
सो ये जो आपने जैसे डाउन सिंड्रोम बोला, इज दैट आल्सो अ रीजन फॉर अ मिसकैरेज?
येस, इट कैन बी.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
और यूजुअली मतलब ऐसा भी देखा गया है कि डाउन सिंड्रोम वाले बच्चे एक्चुअली पैदा भी
होते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट स्पेक्ट्रम्स.
ओके.
कि डिपेंड्स ऑन कैसे कितनी है. आर देयर मल्टीपल जेनेटिक डिफेक्ट्स?
गॉट इट.
बच्चा ग्रो हो नहीं रहा है, समटाइम्स व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न. तो दैट दीज आर सम ऑफ डाउन सिंड्रोम इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली नोन. बट देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ट्राइजोमी 13, दैट क्रोमोसोम 13 इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 देयर आर 3 क्रोमोसोम्स.
ओके.
सो ये तो होता है, तो इट्स नॉट कंपैटिबल विथ लाइफ, यानी आगे उसमें तो डेफिनेटली मिसकैरेजेस होते हैं. नाउ मेनी टाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस कि इवन एग की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती है, स्पर्म की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं होती है. वी शुडंट ओनली लुक एट द वुमन, इवन द मेन आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. स्पर्म की क्वालिटी भी अच्छी नहीं होती है, एंड देन द एम्ब्रियो विच फॉर्म्स आउट ऑफ दीज नॉट गुड, दिस इज नॉट अ गुड एम्ब्रियो.
So then the chances of miscarriages are higher.
Yeah.
Okay.
So apart from oocyte quality, even sperm quality is important. Next is the endometrium or uterine, because pregnancy has to implant into the endometrium. अभी अगर उसमें कुछ पॉलिप हो, फाइब्रॉइड हो, देयर इज इन्फेक्शन, दीज आर द नोन कॉजेज कि जिससे प्रेगनेंसी नहीं रुकेगी उसमें.
Oh, really? Fibroids की वजह से भी pregnancy?
Yeah, if certain position में, mean not all fibroids, but in certain positions, what is the size of the fibroids, उसमें pregnancy नहीं रुकेगी. It won't be able to implant. कभी यूट्रस में पर्दे रहते हैं, like we call it septum, उसमें भी implantation gets affected.
Oh.
That is, next is lifestyle. लाइफस्टाइल तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. लाइक वी आर सीइंग हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म, थायरॉयड इश्यूज है, वी आर सीइंग ओबेसिटी, एवरीवन नोज PCOS. उसमें इंसुलिन,
थायराइड, PCOS, PCOD, ओबेसिटी तो चलो सबको पता है कि लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड है, बट ये सब भी लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड चीज़ें हैं.
PCOS, yes. Obesity, PCOS, yes. And hypothyroid, yeah, sometime, but usually it is genetic.
Oh.
But sometimes it can be related, not always,
Not
but it,
always.
yeah.
But
they have
at
to be.
least आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं
हाँ,
लाइफस्टाइल
yeah,
करेक्ट करके,
yeah.
तो आपका अगर हो जाए,
हो जाए तो
chances कि
ठीक ही
हो
है,
जाए.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we get insulin resistance, उसमें like PCOS, PCOD.
अच्छा.
तो डायबिटीज़ होता है, हाइपरटेंशन, एंड वी आर सीइंग वेरी यंग डायबिटिक्स एंड यंग हाइपरटेंसिव्स. तो अगर एवरीथिंग एल्स इज चेकड आउट, द फोर्थ आर्म जो बहुत लोग नहीं चेक करते हैं इज़ द इम्यून आर्म. और इसे हम एलो इम्यून इश्यूज बोलते हैं. मीन्स हाउ द प्रेगनेंसी, हाउ द इम्यून सिस्टम बिहेव्स विथ प्रेगनेंसी.
ओके, सो एक चीज़ मुझे आप यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कीजिए कि जैसे ऑटो इम्यून डिजीजेज होते हैं उस तरह से होता है ये भी.
हाँ, नो, ऑटो इम्यून इज टुवर्ड्स सेल्फ टिश्यू. ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ.
और तो ऑटो इम्यून बेसिकली इज जहाँ आपके हेल्दी सेल्स
अपने खुद के सेल से ही अटैक करते
हैं.
एंड एलो इम्यून इज इट अटैक्स द प्रेगनेंसी टिश्यू.
ओके.
नाउ आई टेल यू व्हाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि any pregnancy is half mom, half dad. तो 50% ऑफ द पार्ट विच कम्स फ्रॉम द फादर वो माँ की बॉडी से अलग होता है. एंड अपनी बॉडी कुछ भी बाहर की चीज़ अंदर आने नहीं देती. आइडियली दैट इज़ द रूल ऑफ द बॉडी. जैसे हमें कुछ इन्फेक्शन हो, आर इम्यून सिस्टम भी नो गोज एंड फाइट्स. और ट्रांसप्लांट्स, किडनी ट्रांसप्लांट, लिवर ट्रांसप्लांट होते हैं जिसमें द इम्यून सिस्टम आइडेंटिफाइज, अगर मैचिंग नहीं है इट इज़ गोइंग टू आइडेंटिफाई एंड इज गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय द ट्रांसप्लांट टिश्यू. ट्रांसप्लांट इज गोइंग टू फेल. एंड इधर मैं बात करी हूँ प्रेगनेंसी जो 50% माँ की बॉडी से अलग है वो एक्सेप्ट होती है एंड इट कंटिन्यूज टू ग्रो टू टर्म.
जी.
ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्पेशल आर्म ऑफ द इम्यून सिस्टम कॉल्ड इम्यून टॉलरेंस. ओके, एक आर्म इम्यून सिस्टम का भी नो फाइटिंग का पावर और प्रोटेक्शन, बट द अदर आर्म इज़ टू टॉलरेट. वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. इट टॉलरेट्स ओनली 3 थिंग्स. वन इज़ सेल्फ टिश्यू, वन इज़ फ्रेंडली बैक्टीरिया एंड वन इज़ प्रेगनेंसी एंटीजेंस.
ओके.
तो यू कैन लुक एट इट कि जैसे ही प्रेगनेंसी यूट्रस में आ जाती है द इम्यून सिस्टम आइडियली रोल्स अ रेड कार्पेट एंड प्रेगनेंसी को इम्प्लांट करने देती है. बट व्हेन it doesn't roll the red carpet and it starts treating it as different for some unknown reason, immune system will start fighting the pregnancy and IVF failure हो सकते हैं या miscarriages हो सकते हैं.
तो यानी कि IVF में हमने ऑलरेडी कंसिडर किए XYZ फैक्टर्स हैं जिसकी वजह से नेचुरल प्रेगनेंसी नहीं हो पा रही है, लेकिन ये एक ऐसा फैक्टर है जो IVF में भी जो है वो
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
ओके. तो ये जो आप इम्यून इश्यूज जो आप बोल रहे हैं, एलो
इम्यून इश्यूज,
ये सिर्फ मदर की बॉडी की प्रॉब्लम होती है कि the father's body can also have this same
Usually
problem?
it is in the mother's body.
Okay,
because mother's body has
is
to accept
right.
it and allow the pregnancy to grow in the uterus. Means what happens is, जैसे ही pregnancy uterus में आ जाती है, embryo will send signals to the mother's body. Mother's body then produces certain blocking antibodies which tell the other immune arm यहाँ नहीं आना है 9 महीने के लिए, let the pregnancy grow to term. And pregnancy grows without any complications. When this protection does not happen, that's when we understand that there is alloimmune rejection. तो ये जो 4 pillars होते हैं are very important for the stability. And कहीं भी एक pillar gets affected, it's going to be tilt and the embryo is asked to leave.
ओके. तो ये पता कैसे चलता है कि हमको ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हमको तो एलो इम्यून रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ये कैसे पता चलता है?
See, I'll tell you the reason is that this is called a silent attacker. And majority of the routine tests which are available do not detect it. You can't detect it even on sonography, any scans.
Okay.
There are specialized tests which are there, which are available, which need to be done to identify that.
But बट ये बताइए डॉक्टर मुग्धा कि अगर किसी को लेट्स से 2 मिसकैरेजेस 3 मिसकैरेजेस हो गए, एक आईवीएफ साइकिल भी ट्राई कर लिया, इज इट टाइम फॉर देम टू गेट दीज टेस्ट डन कि शुरू में ही ये टेस्ट कर लेने चाहिए?
सी देर आर सम पेशेंट्स जिनको शुरू में ही करनी चाहिए.
कैसे, किस
मीन्स
तरह के
देर आर पेशेंट्स हु आर गोइंग इन फॉर द फर्स्ट IVF साइकिल.
ओके.
अगर उन्होंने सब ट्राई किया है, IUI ट्राई किया है, they have infertility for a very long time, and they are going in for an IVF cycle, we help them increase the success rate. कि अगर IVF फेल हो रहा है तो try this before you plan your next pregnancy or do an IVF cycle.
अच्छा, तो ये एक ऐसा टेस्ट है, ये करके आप मतलब IVF साइकिल भी आपका सक्सेसफुल
हो सकता है. Means we believe that every couple should get the best chance.
Yeah.
Means why should they? Because we get patients from referrals from lot of IVF doctors. हम IVF नहीं करते हैं. We don't do a regular gynec practice also now. So many gynecologists refer these patients. तो पेशेंट हर एक कपल का एक ही क्वेश्चन होता है, मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया इसके बारे में. एंड दैट्स रियली पिंचेस आवर हार्ट. सो वी लाइक टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस कि सेंड द पेशेंट अर्ली. डोंट वेट फॉर लाइक we've had patients who has done 18 IVF transfers.
What?
And all euploid, genetically tested embryos. Is it fair?
I cannot even imagine the kind of heartbreak people must be going through.
Exactly. We had a patient from Ireland with 15 miscarriages.
Wow.
Now, we feel that is it fair? And the couple always, the bottom line, the commonest question asked was, मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया इसके बारे में? Why did even our doctor didn't tell us?
But why is that? Why is there such little awareness about it?
I'll tell you why. Because immune, it's a very specialized subject. And it's not taught in the routine, even gynecology, postgraduate, the specialization. This is a super specialization.
Achha.
And my husband and me, we are the only 2 super specialized in India.
Oh.
Yeah, there are 43 doctors worldwide who have this fellowship.
And you are 2 of them.
2 of them in India. We are the only 2 in India who have this
I'm feeling really special right now. I just soaked that in. Yeah, okay, continue.
So, it requires a lot of, deeper study into how the immune system works.
Right.
And this lack of awareness is mainly because of that. कि हाँ, ये हमने कभी सुना भी नहीं था. But yeah, immune system is taught to us in pregnancy, about in the regular gynec subjects or regular subjects. But how it behaves to pregnancy,
वो नहीं पता है.
उसके लिए you need a deeper study, which we both have done, and we've got a fellowship and from the American Society. फिर बाद में and I'll tell you one more thing is the immune system evolved. The study means we understood deeper in the last 10 years. It has suddenly progressed. So अगर किसी ने वो सुना नहीं है और has not studied about it, then it becomes very difficult for them to understand कि ये 2 arms है, उनमें कैसे treat किया जाए, which tests are to be done. So I'll say in the last 10 years it has progressed so fast कि we have to keep ourselves upgraded. In fact, both of us even trained ourselves from Harvard so that we learn more about the immune system and how it works. And that's a brilliant training for us, where we got to help and understand it even better and the science behind it. So, and why are we doing what? So these things, if doctors don't upgrade, I'm not saying that they don't have time or whatever reasons. That's why the awareness is so high. Means we always say when good embryos fail, think immune. ये subject to think immune, it's an eye opener to even IVF specialists. कि अरे हाँ, हम तो immune system के बारे में हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. So we are.
But ये आप जब ये ऐसे कह रही हैं ना कि अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना है, because ये एक ऐसी साइंस है जो constantly develop हो रही है. I'm sure because as human beings, I think from the time we were Neanderthals to today, the process of evolution has, like the speed is so fast now. हमारी bodies इतनी जल्दी evolve हो रही हैं, हमारे आसपास की हर तरह की science इतनी जल्दी evolve हो रही है कि अपने आप को up to date रखना तो बहुत ज़्यादा important होता जा रहा है. And especially with something like this where couples are struggling so much. I mean IVF के 18 cycles तो बहुत मैंने तो कभी किया नहीं है, लेकिन फ्रॉम वट एवर आई नो ऑफ फ्रेंड्स एंड एवरीवन हुज डन इट अराउंड मी, आई बिलीव इट्स वेरी वेरी पेनफुल. एंड इन एनी केस, even if you can take the physical pain, I think emotionally it must be so taxing.
It is so draining on the couple, you know. You have to see husband wife crying in front of us. And when we get their messages ki thank you so much, like kal hi na, one patient had undergone 6 IVF cycles and she was told that you will never conceive. So she found out about us and she said, madam, I want to give itself one last try. So I said, okay, try us. Because if you're going to try the same path again and again, you're going to get lost.
Yeah.
So we tried. She went to another IVF doctor. First cycle, she conceived.
Oh, wow.
And yesterday, she messaged me saying that I delivered a baby boy.
That must be so fulfilling for you.
Absolutely. Evening, I get a news, unexplained infertility from Hyderabad. Madam, it is only because of y'all that we have got a baby girl today. She had 2 IUIs and 1 IVF failure. Two IVF failures. And luckily for her, her IVF doctor said, no, first you do this. Don't do anything else.
तो देखो awareness से कितना फर्क
पड़ता है. And then they were able. So, you know, such things motivate us. Like this patient from Ireland coming all the way to India to get the therapy done and going back and conceiving naturally. She had 8 spontaneous pregnancies and 7 IVF miscarriages. IVF तो किया उसे, and plus she had additional 4 more IVF failures.
8 natural pregnancies?
Pregnancies which resulted in a miscarriage.
तो देखो, definitely there is something which is wrong and you have to like investigate further कि भाई problem क्या है?
And why wait for, why wait for so many cycles?
Yeah.
Do it after 2. Once you've done the genetic testing, you know everything is fine. Because with every failure, the chance of the failure, the subsequent cycle is going to increase.
अच्छा.
जैसे आपके 5 miscarriages हुए, the subsequent cycle is going to be 80% you have a chance of miscarrying.
Oh,
तो ये statistics है, yeah.
वो reduce हो रही है.
The statistics is there. So why not do it much earlier rather than waiting for this debacle, you know? तो हमें तो बहुत बुरा लगा. I remember one of my husband's patient, they came to him and referred by another doctor. They said, we are trying to tell the doctor कि हमें ना बच्चा बंद करने का operation करना है. So like a routine part, my husband said that how many children, because there are government guidelines which we have to follow. How many children do you have? So they said, we don't have any children.
Okay.
And then they came out that 14 miscarriages we have counted.
मतलब they get pregnant naturally.
Naturally.
And then they,
yeah.
Oh my God.
And I don't know how many more we have miscarried. So their doctor had told them that just do this therapy once. बाद में देखो. They tried telling us. So we said, just try us once. Give us one opportunity. And now they have a baby girl.
Oh my God.
They are so happy about it, even for our center launch and every time they're always there. If there's anything, just let us know. We will come down. You know, and we will talk to your patients. We will tell them that it has happened to us and how we are blessed with a baby girl.
So I just want to take a moment here and say कि awareness की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम दोनों. आज यहाँ podcast पर मिलकर भी यही कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को पता चले that you don't have to keep trying IVF cycles if it's not happening for you. You must figure out कि ये problem तो नहीं है. तो डॉक्टर मुझे अभी बताइए कि ये LIT, what is it exactly?
Yeah. So LIT is lymphocyte immunization therapy. Let's dissect every part of it.
Yeah.
Okay. So lymphocytes are a type of blood cells. Our blood has red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. White blood cells are of 5 types, of which lymphocytes are one type. Okay. We immunize the mother, means vaccinate the mother with the lymphocytes.
अच्छा.
अभी lymphocytes क्यों? Okay. Lymphocytes is because I said the embryo sends signals to the mother's body. The lymphocytes carry the same signal on them.
Okay.
So we make use of human lymphocytes, anyone's lymphocytes other than the mother.
Okay.
So now why? Because that's why we can't use an embryo.
आप किसी और के blood में से lymphocytes निकाल के you can do that. So you don't need to match the blood group?
No.
अच्छा.
Because ये lymphocytes है, the blood groups are on the red blood cells.
Okay.
So
This
is
part of the
white blood cells. So we use the lymphocytes. Now, this lymphocyte immunization therapy is not new. In 1953 in the US, there's a Professor Billingham. He identified that when there is fraternal twins, they needed skin graft and they were accepted. So some blood cells are crossing when they were in the mother's uterus, which has helped them subsequently.
Acha.
Then when they were trying this in renal transplant patients, 4 patients who had miscarriages, they conceived naturally after this. Of course, it doesn't work for transplants, but they were trying it and they found that these patients conceived naturally and delivered. But then in 1985 in US, they perfected why, what was the reason behind it. Okay. Then in 1991, there was a double-blind multicentric trial, worldwide project, which India was one center, and we were absolutely fortunate to be a part of this center. I still remember I was doing my MD and my boss called me, my teacher called me, and she said, this is next generation. I want you and Mohan to be with me. And that's where our journey started. So this project came from Oxford University, and we were a part of it. And then subsequently, our whole journey began. Then the smiles which it added to the patients just kept us going. And then, to do this abroad, it's very, very expensive.
Okay.
So then we modified even the process.
Acha.
So that we do it only once and give the same results.
How did you modify it? Pehle kya tha?
Pehle it used to be given every 15 days.
These lymphocytes?
Lymphocytes,
okay.
yeah. So how it has to be prepared so that we get the same results and do it only once.
So, I'm sorry, when you say it was done every 15 days, before what? Before actually trying
1991,
for pregnancy?
yeah, before trying for pregnancy.
So, before trying for natural pregnancy or IVF? जो भी आप कर रहे हैं?
Natural and IVF.
Okay.
So that's when we realized that in 1991 this project came up where you could do it only once.
Acha.
But that also was, the blood was limited. So then we modified based on all our studies and research, and we modified the number of cells which are required and how it is to be done to give maximum result.
Okay.
So we do it only once.
And then you can go in for the IVF?
IVF, yeah. And we have now applied, we have a patent for this.
Oh.
So we applied, so that we do it once the way it is done. See, it's not about just separating lymphocytes. बहुत बार लोग बोलते हैं आप तो क्या lymphocytes ही separate करते हो?
वो तो कोई भी कर देगा.
हाँ. But how you do it, how you collect the blood. Like you won't believe, we have 7 centers all over India.
Yeah.
Each of the center, from blood collection to injection, only my husband and me do it.
Oh, so you travel.
Yes.
Oh.
We have a simple, I'll explain to you how we do it. But from blood collection to injection is what we do, is because that gives the success.
Acha.
अगर मुझे blood clot हो गया, how am I going to separate my lymphocytes?
Oh, very true.
How am I going to tell a technician because this is not a number game, it is a quality game. We always say that. To injection, when we are giving the injection, हम आराम से बैठ के, we have to see that every prick, the injection goes properly, it is injected. So it is very, very important how we do it. It's not about just separating, कहीं भी लैब से ले लो और कहीं भी इंजेक्ट करो.
हाँ, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि पॉडकास्ट शूट करना है तो कोई भी आके कर देगा.
Exactly. It's just like you. Why is Chavi more popular? Is because of the way you handle things,
exactly.
Right?
So there's no mantra to
no
it.
Mantra
it's
to
just
it.
the way you do it. The
yes.
precision
Yeah.
and the know-how and the experience, everything
It
counts.
matters, yeah.
Okay.
So the same like your podcast, why is it so successful? Why is our Emulate, which we call Emulate now, why is it so successful? कि when people say कि आप जो करते हमें नहीं होता है, हमसे नहीं होता है, is because all these things matter. It's very similar to that. Your studies, your hard work, your recording, your editing, all these things is a similar step to ours. So we call it, and then it is followed by very individualized medicine afterwards. So we say no one size fits all. Remember that, Each patient has certain blood reports. Based on that, we have to decide the further line of treatment. So if you see how we do it, when you ask, we usually do online consultations. Then the blood tests are done by usually standardized laboratories in their respective cities, wherever the patient is. They follow up to us online. we batch the process. We go there and do it once. Like we have centers in Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad, and now in Chandigarh.
Okay.
So we are Mumbai is our main center. 3 weeks we are in Mumbai. So we do it like that. So when we do it like that, we may do about say 9 cases in Bangalore, but we call all of them on that particular day.
Okay, got it.
If it's urgent, then the patient comes to Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is
तो ऐसा भी होता है कि so normally what I understand is a patient comes to you after multiple IVF failures, you know, that's when they want to investigate. ऐसा भी होता है कि अगर किसी के मल्टीपल मिसकैरेजेस हो गए हैं लेकिन IVF नहीं ट्राई किया है तो वो भी ये ऑप्शन ट्राई कर सकते हैं एंड देन स्ट्रेट अवे ट्राई फॉर अ नेचुरल प्रेगनेंसी.
yeah, you can use it for miscarriages, you can use it for IVF failures and unexplained infertility also, and even late pregnancy losses.
अच्छा.
Means there are patients who have, you won't believe, they have had a loss at 7 months and 8 months.
Oh, that's
Like,
dangerous for even the
yeah.
mother.
And another important thing is we can do it even in pregnancy.
Oh,
So
just to sustain it.
Yeah, means the patients have come to us saying, do you want us to abort? Like, I still remember a patient of 6 miscarriages. He said, do you want me to abort now before you do this therapy for me? And it is done. Abroad, it is done in pregnancy. So we said, we have to do it for our patient. And we did it, and she successfully delivered a healthy baby girl without any complications.
So ऐसा भी होता है that, I mean, is it mandatory to get some kind of tests done before understanding that this is the immune related is the problem that I'm facing, कि मैं सीधा ये lymphocytes वाला जो treatment है वो कर सकती हूँ
No,
without actually checking?
No, it is mandatory.
It is mandatory.
Yeah, because some patients don't need it,
Oh, okay.
and some patients need it.
Okay.
So we are
so
very
if the ones who
particular.
don't need it वो करेंगे तो उनको कोई extra फायदा नहीं
Extra
होगा.
फायदा नहीं होगा तो,
कि
and why
हमने
do
एक
something?
चॉकलेट खाई है उसकी जगह हमने 4 खा ली तो उनको ज़्यादा एनर्जी मिल गई वैसा नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा. Yeah, exactly. So if you don't need it, you don't need it. If you need it, you need it.
Right.
So
So is there a particular age in which this is more effective?
we have seen patients from the age of 21 having an immune problem to the age of 49.
Oh.
So it is very, very common. We can't just predict which patient is going to come back for an immune problem.
But even after 40s,
Yeah.
if somebody does this process, the chances of pregnancy are as viable as, let's say, 20s, 25?
Yeah, if the baby is fine, but majority of these patients go in for IVF.
Okay.
So, but
But the
even
treatment
yeah,
itself is
because
the same.
they sometimes patients are using donor embryos also. There also it fails, and there the immune problem is there
Ah.
because the mother's immune system is just not accepting
Because
the
यहाँ पे
pregnancy.
तो father का भी नहीं है, mother का भी नहीं है, right?
Yeah.
तो सभी external हो गया.
External हो गया, and the mother is not. So it's 100% different.
Correct.
So mother's body is just not accepting it.
Okay.
So उसमें also it has worked.
Okay.
Of course, we don't do beyond the age of 49. We have put a cut-off limit for that. उसके बाद में नहीं
कोई
करते.
वजह है इसकी?
It's because, see, there are a lot of pregnancy at such an elderly age after 50 is risky. And I think government doesn't allow beyond a particular age of the parents. So we restrict ourselves to that. Because बाद में IVF भी नहीं कर सकते.
Okay.
So we restrict ourselves to that. Yeah.
एक चीज़ और मुझे बताइए कि जब ये ट्रीटमेंट होता है, ओके, इज़ इट कि ये कुछ टाइम के लिए वैलिड है कि मैं एक IVF साइकिल करवा लूँ तब तक वैलिड है, लेकिन लेट्स से फॉर एनी रीज़न वो नहीं सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो मुझे दोबारा करवाना पड़ेगा?
Yeah. So the way we do it, the effect lasts for 18 to 24 months.
Also in that you can do as many cycles as you want.
There are patients who have, like I'll tell you an example. She had, I think, 10 IUI failures, and then she had 4 IVF after that. And then she went to another doctor. The doctor referred to us before the IVF. And she did the process, and she did IVF afterwards. She did emulate with us and then went to do the IVF. And she conceived in the first cycle, but she miscarried.
अच्छा.
And there the doctor, then I said, we do a genetic testing, and the baby was abnormal genetically.
Okay.
And then the doctor again did her she had embryos frozen. So she did a pre-implantation genetic testing, and they only put in the normal embryos.
Okay.
And then she has now twins.
Okay.
So, but she didn't come back to us. I was
Acha.
only in touch with her doctor because we are in touch with the passive immunomodulation which is required for that patient. So it's very important, like active plus passive.
Yeah,
Immunization active हो गया, passive is you can say a complementary part
Right.
to help improve the success rate.
Right, right.
So we were just in touch with the doctor कि अभी ये देना है, just take care of the sugar, take care of this. So this is how. So it's not like one size fits all.
Correct.
Like, you know, just try any medicine, try anything. No, because this is a science, and it's not suppressing any immunity. It is helping your body to retrain what your body cannot do.
Got it.
So we are not doing something like suppressing the immunity, or we're just retraining the mother's body to accept what she cannot do.
She
it.
cannot
Yeah.
do. तो ये बताइए कि इसका सक्सेस रेट क्या है?
Yeah. So the success rate in selected cases, in properly selected cases, is 75 to 80%.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
But there are other factors which affect success. Like there could be age. There could be other factors like if sperm parameters are there, or if the lifestyle parameters are there, or we say there are many, and of course we are not
Right,
God.
मतलब ऐसा है कि अगर सिर्फ इम्यून रिलेटेड कॉजेज हैं तो देन द सक्सेस रेट
It
इज
is
वेरी
very
हाई,
high.
बट उसमें आप थोड़ा सा लाइफस्टाइल ऐड कर दो, स्पर्म काउंट
Correct.
ऐड कर
Yeah.
दो, तो
Then
उस
in
सब से
those
भी-
cases, the
right.
success, those have to be corrected to
Correct.
improve the
Correct.
success
Fair
rate.
enough, हाँ.
And we always tell patients we are not God.
Correct.
God always keeps something in his or her hand, whomever you believe. And we are just puppets. But we do what science tells us. I tell every patient that I am a puppet in God's hand, but I will do best what my science is telling me. And I will tell you what science tells you. Of course, there could be a lot of more research coming in, new things can happen. And because of that, something new will also come up.
True.
But abhi tak, whatever science has identified and proven, we can tell you. Baki sab is God's.
और ये एलो इम्यून कॉजेज के अलावा भी कोई और कॉजेज होते हैं जिनके बारे में हमने ज़्यादा सुना नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से आईवीएफ फेल हो सकता है?
Like the other causes, as I said, like there could be genetic,
या
there could be uterine factors, there could be sperm factors, there could be this lifestyle changes,
Right.
those things. And I actually, there are a lot of things about even now a lot of things are spoken about the stimulation process.
ओके.
So a lot of IVF centers are changing their whole stimulation process, the lab qualities. So a lot, if you see now, most of the IVF centers are changing their lab qualities. The media, new media are coming in.
Okay.
So all those things are also coming up new, which are helping to improve an IVF success.
अच्छा, और ये मैंने कुछ पढ़ा, व्हाट इज IVIG और इंट्रालिपिड थेरेपी, ये क्या होता है?
So these are medicines
अच्छा.
which can be given. Some of them, yeah, we use it as passive immunomodulatory as a complement.
ओके.
But it is just not like a blanket treatment.
अच्छा.
So IVIG, intralipid have their own place to improve this. But IVIG is not very safe. It has side effects.
Okay.
Then there are many other medicines which you just can't blindly use them. You have to use. Like there is one medicine which in the Indian subcontinent we cannot use because it can activate latent tuberculosis. तो आई कांट ब्लाइंडली टेल अ पेशेंट दैट और द
भाई
डॉक्टर
pregnant
कि ये
तो
हाँ
आप हो जाओगे,
आप ये हाँ ये ले लो दवा, यू नो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग टू हर लाइफ.
Right.
सो एंड पेशेंट्स ऑलवेज कम टू अस फॉर प्रेगनेंसी. They don't come to, their life should not be threatened.
Absolutely, yeah. Because once you're anyway becoming a parent, you have so much more responsibility. And you have
Exactly.
so much more to give to life.
The
You have
mother-
to live your life to the fullest to be able to be a responsible parent.
Parent,
तो खाली
absolutely.
parent बनने पे खत्म थोड़ी हो जाता है, वहाँ से तो शुरू होता है.
Exactly.
तो ये जो इम्यूनोलिट है, इसके भी कुछ रिस्क, साइड इफेक्ट्स या डाउन टाइम ऐसा कुछ हमें पता होना चाहिए.
It's such a beautiful treatment कि when done properly, there are absolutely no side effects.
Oh wow.
Yeah, there could be minor
मतलब इतना हो
allergic
सकता है कि
reactions.
you probably will not get pregnant,
हाँ.
but there'll not be any
Side effects,
Right.
yeah. So there could be minor allergic reactions. There could be a little, feverish feeling,
which
but nothing
which is like थोड़े दिन के लिए.
हाँ, एक हाथ 2 दिन के लिए, and the marks remain after we give the injection, but they go away. By the time they are ready for the IVF cycle, those marks have gone. Patients sometimes forget also they have done our therapy.
Okay.
Because no marks are left and nothing is left.
और ये while doing the process, is it painful?
It is a little painful. So
क्या
we do
होता है
apply.
exactly IVF के through?
Not IVF. It is they are injected in the skin.
Okay.
The injection. So they are not like an IVF injection कि intramuscular दे या skin के नीचे दे.
अच्छा.
They are given in the skin.
Okay.
So generally we use anesthesia. We use not general anesthesia, local anesthesia.
अच्छा,
So that makes it little less painful, and only the stretching of the skin is there. But definitely, it makes a lot of difference to the patient, so that we can also inject properly. Patient is also more comfortable.
Okay, so would you say that if somebody is doing this treatment, they should keep like 3-4 days on the side to rest at home and
The
take a break
funniest
from
thing
work?
is there is no rest required.
Acha.
You can start gymming the same evening.
Oh, wow, I
you
love
can
it.
eat. You can travel. It is such a safe and beautiful treatment. I'll tell you, we had a patient who came. She was pregnant, 2.5 months pregnant. She had lost 4 pregnancies at 20 weeks.
Oh.
And 2 miscarriages at 9 and 11 weeks. She traveled 300 kilometers from interior Maharashtra to our center in Mumbai. We gave her the therapy. She just waited for that day. Next day, they again traveled to Parbhani, and she had a completely smooth delivery.
Okay,
She
wow.
delivered at 37 weeks. So, in pregnancy also she traveled. So there was nothing like it has any side effects, या bed rest ले लो, या सोना ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. Nothing
तो
like
मतलब
that.
एक्चुअली देखा जाए, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, इफ आई एम अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट करेक्टली, कि ट्रीटमेंट कराने के बाद जो जो जनरली जिसकी प्रेगनेंसी जैसी है वो वैसी ही रहेगी, इसकी वजह से कोई ज़्यादा ख़राब या ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं हो जाएगी. इफ़ यू हैव, लेट्स से इफ़ यू हैव जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज़, इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर प्रेगनेंसी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स, वो हो सकती हैं,
Yeah.
लेकिन इसकी वजह से कुछ नया नहीं होगा.
Nothing new.
Okay.
In fact, those who had pregnancy complications, what we have seen, like high blood pressure in pregnancy, they have had a completely uneventful subsequent pregnancy.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
So because immune attack can even, it is going to try and attack at every stage.
Okay.
If not before, it will attack afterwards.
Okay.
So, जैसे it will reduce the blood flow to the baby.
Okay.
It will increase the mother's blood pressure, so baby doesn't get blood flow.
Oh.
So all these things are known to happen in an immune attack.
Okay.
And because we have taken care of it before, we have seen that these patients have a completely uneventful pregnancy.
Because 18 to 20 months तक आप बिल्कुल sorted हो गए हो.
Absolutely, absolutely.
तो ऐसा भी कभी डॉक्टर आपने देखा है कि फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी में कपल को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई, नॉर्मली नेचुरली सब कंसीव हो गया एवरीथिंग, एंड देन दिस प्रॉब्लम हैपेंड इन द सेकंड टाइम दे ट्राइड?
Yes, it is known, not very common.
Okay,
But it is like the body just breaks down for some reason. So they just develop. They just in medical terms we call them secondary aborters.
Okay.
So it does happen, but the term will seem a little gross, but it is called like that, and it is known to happen.
Okay.
And there also, because the body breaks down, for some reason, this therapy works. But of course, but we do the blood test. So if the patient requires, only we do it. हर एक patient को नहीं ज़रूरत होती है. There might be other reasons for also the multiple miscarriages afterwards. But it is known to happen.
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much, doctor. This conversation was very, very कैसे मैं उसको कहूँ कि इतनी सारी चीज़ें मैंने सीख ली जिनका बिल्कुल मुझे आइडिया ही नहीं था, एंड आई थिंक आई प्राइड माई सेल्फ ऑन बीइंग वेरी अपडेटेड विद व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन करेंटली, बट दिस वाज एब्सोल्यूट न्यूज़ टू मी कि IVF के बाद भी एक चीज़ है जो एक कपल ट्राई कर सकता है प्रेग्नेंट होने के लिए.
Right.
और कितने लेवल्स पर ये आपको मदद करती है ये थेरेपी जो है. सो ऑल आई वांट टू से इज लेट्स ऑल जस्ट ट्राई टू बी अ लिटिल मोर अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन इन आवर बॉडीज. If the need be, go ahead with the test. I'm going to put doctor's details in the description. अगर आपको कोई तकलीफ है, इस तरह की कुछ आप सोच रहे हैं कि कर लेना चाहिए, कि कर लूँ कि नहीं करूँ, I think कर लो तो better है. And I hope you enjoyed this conversation and there were some takeaways for you, and we were able to at least contribute a little bit more to the awareness of Immunolit. Thank you for watching. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.